Hi, welcome to the Conti Surveying Studio. This video I'll be explaining something regarding NRM2 and that too particularly the 39th section which is for electrical services. So in this section if you have used it you would have experienced this, or else if you're gonna use it maybe this video will be useful to you. So if you see there are subsections like cables, and there is also a subsection called final circuits. You see the unit of measurement for cables is meter, and for final circuit it is in numbers. So what is the difference between these two? So this is some confusion that happens when you make your BOQ, like what to put here, which items to put here. So to explain that, let's move into a whiteboard. So just rub whatever is here. Okay, so let's say that you are having your project. So it is a maybe one floor. You're having a building, one floor building, ground floor only. Let's assume, okay. So maybe there is a small substation, and the main power is coming. So main power is usually maintained by the government. Some electricity boards might be there. So from that, it is going. The substation will have different equipment like transformers, then the generators, maybe the main distribution board. Let's say the main distribution board is here. So MDB. So from transformers, we have like cables going to MDB. Then there are different other equipments like generators, and then the automatic transfer switch. I'm not going into detail about all those. From MDB, there is, let's say there is an electricity room inside this building where all your DBs are DBs that needs to distribute power to your different equipment, different fixtures inside your building is there. So let's say MDB, then there is a sub main distribution for sub main distribution board, and then there are different DBs. So let's say LDB, lighting distribution board, which will be distributing power to the different light fixtures. Then there is a power distribution for all the sockets and all those fixtures. Now let's say there are different, sorry, just change the color. We have different light fixtures. Then we have also the like power sockets, just giving a random symbol. Now we have cable coming from here to all these equipment. And from the main distribution board, a cable will go to the sub main distribution board. From sub main distribution, cable will be going to the lighting distribution. One cable will go to the power distribution. There might be different DBs more than what is shown here. So in this particular example, I'm just putting just 2 DBs. Now in this distribution board, like there will be many circuits, and from each circuit it will be giving power to a particular number of lights. So let's give this color. So from lighting distribution board, there will be one circuit will be for these 3 lights. There will be another circuit for these 3 lights. And similarly, for power distribution board, there will be one circuit for these 2 lights. There will be one circuit for these 2 lights. I mean, these 2 power sockets. There will be one for these 2. So in this, what will come under the cable section and what will be coming under the final circuit. So for under the cable section, all these cables that come from the supply board to the substation to the different equipment, and till then the cables that goes from the MDB to SMDB, then from SMDB to LDB, whatever is shown in this brown color, these are all coming under the cable section, which needs to be measured in meters, this one. And all these are usually the blue color, which is for the lighting circuit, and this red color, which is for the power circuits. These are usually in numbers, not in meters, because it is as per the NRM2 for the final circuit, that is wiring or cabling for these fixtures is counted in numbers. So for example, if there are, for here you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 number of lights, so if there are 7 lights, the final circuit will be, for lighting will be 7 numbers. Power socket 1 2 3 4 5 6 are 7 numbers, so the final circuit for power under the power section will be 7 numbers. So in NRM2, for the final circuit for the lighting, power fixtures, and all other fixtures, the cabling is usually measured in numbers. There will be a unit price for each point. It's called point wiring, and there will be a particular rate for each point wiring, and that is usually used. And for these other cables, the low voltage, it's called low voltage cables, and here the medium voltage cables. So for that, we have to measure in meters, that to cable sizes as per what core it is, what size it is. Maybe it might be a 4 core 185 square meter copper conductor cable. So based on that, we have to differentiate and put the quantities in meters, and for this part it will be in numbers. So hope this small video is informative. So next time when you do your BOQs, you know where to put what, where you have to put the cable sections, what you have to put under the cable section, and what you have to put under the final circuit section. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Take care. Bye.